Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform. So if you're enjoying the content and the amount of content that I'm making, please, when you come in, hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on YouTube. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. Okay. I just received this gorgeous, vibrant package in the mail. So this means this is hopefully the mystery bag from IPSY. When I opened it up, that's exactly what it was. And this is a special anniversary bag that we received from IPSY. If you're not familiar with my channel, what I do is I open up all the bags prior to sitting down. And then I sit here and we just play with the products here. But I do take a picture also for Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, there's a lot that I share on there that I don't have the time to put into a full video. So you're missing out. So I want to make sure that if you haven't been following me, I'll leave the link to my Instagram. It's called True Wants with the number 2. And please leave a comment that you came over from YouTube, and I would love to read your comments there as well. All right. Is this not the most stunning bag? This is called the Glamiversary Mystery Glam Bag, and this is, we're talking from IPSY, and it is their plus bag, which means everything inside here is full size. This is a $30 mystery bag. And why I'm so excited is I think there's only one item in here, is one that I own and I enjoy, and I am so excited that everything else is new to me. So like I say to you all the time, with the amount that I purchase from IPSY between all of their sales that I share with you all the time, and I share on video here as well, that I cannot believe that when I do these mystery bags that I'm still getting items that I've never received before. But this is their 10th anniversary for IPSY, and this is one of those sparkly bags. The actual sparkles are not coming off. I used to get these bags during Christmas time, and then I would see all this shimmer all over the place. It's not coming off at all, which I'm really happy to be able to report, because when I saw the bag, I was like, oh my God, I hope this is not gonna fall out all over the place, and it's not. On the little zipper pull here, it says 10 on it, so that's to celebrate their 10th anniversary. So this is really nice. And on the other side, it says IPSY, and when you open it up, it's a silver zipper. It's fully lined, and it has their IPSY logo on the inside. So this is really nice to help, be part of the celebration. I'm happy that I was able to purchase this bag. This is also always found in the shopper under the mystery bag section, and it's still available at the time that I'm filming this. And sometimes when it goes out of stock, just keep popping back in, because the more people know about it, then all of a sudden it might sell out, and then they will put different items in because it is a mystery bag, and then you'll be able to get one too. So it's always the bag that gets me, and then I'm always over the moon with the items that are inside. So what was written on the notification in reference to this bag is, like I said, it's called the Glamiversary Mystery Glam Bag Plus. They're saying there is over $158 value in here. We paid $30. It's always free shipping in the USA. And it simply says, it's time to celebrate with this limited edition bag. You will get 5 full-size faves to help you create an awe-worthy look. The mystery bag products may include, and it says top-rated brands like Murad, it's in here. Tarte, it's in here. The only thing I didn't get is the other brand, which is Complex Couture, which I would have been excited to get as well. And this says that there's limiting 1 bag per order, and the total savings is over $128 because of the $158 value. All right, let's get started. The only thing is, when it's a mystery bag, there's no card inside because you don't know what you're going to be getting. So I'm going to read a little bit on the packaging so we can know a little bit more about the products. But the first one is the Murad. And this is their hydration. It is for sensitive skin, and it is a soothing serum. That's what this looks like here. We'll do a little, oh, this has one of those locks. All you have to do is turn it, and it will dispense the product inside. You might have to prime the pump a little bit to get it going, and then that's what this product looks like here. It is a very watery serum. So this is what you would use right after your essence. As I tell you guys all the time, the thinner the consistency to the thickest. So you start with your essence and then you go in with a serum that is more watery to a thicker one to your moisturizer and so on and so forth. So excited about that. So let's just read a little bit about what is here and written on the box. And this is, this is the magnifier that was in our True One Seen It bags, and you guys requested for us to put it on our website. And a couple of you people asked me if I can put it in the description box. The links to our website are in the description box. It's called Improving Lifestyles. And there is a direct link to the accessories section, which is where you will find this item. This is a magnifier that has an LED light, which if you have not used a magnifier with an LED light, it's a game changer. It also goes into itself. So if you're carrying this in your purse, it's not going to get all that lint or anything over it, as well as the keychain. So you'll always see me using this, and a lot of you girls, thank you so much, who have purchased it and repurchased on your own outside of the bags, and I see you using it on your channels all the time, so I thank you for that as well. This one says this is an intensely hydrating serum that is for dry or sensitive skin. It has hyaluronic acid. It supports your skin's ability to retain moisture, and it has chamomile extract, which will help soothe your skin. You could use it AM and PM over clean face, neck, and chest, and it is dermatology tested. I recommend very highly any product that you get from the Murad that we can get in our bags because of IPSY's relationship with this company Murad. It is unheard of. You never saw Murad on sale anywhere. So the fact that we get it in these bags and deals, it blows my mind all the time. The next item in here is from Pacifica, and this says, it says Cheeky Cherry. It is a cheeky stain, and it says it's in a lovely sheer color. And let's see if there is something marked on the back here. And this says it's 100% vegan, it's cruelty free. And it says apply with your fingers to the apples of the cheeks and blend outwards. I will show you the color of this, but I am not the girl who is into the hottest trend right now, which is all of these cream blushes. Maybe it's because I'm a combo girl and I tried it years ago and it just wasn't for me. But the more I'm seeing the advancements of the girls that are putting it on, it just looks so nice that it might be something that I will dab into. And the color of this is definitely up my alley. So this is really, really a beautiful, beautiful color. And the best way that I've seen girls use this is not so much with their fingertips. I saw them use it with beauty blenders, so that you're taking some of the colors really intense. The moisture from the beauty blender will help blend it within your skin, and I just think that's the best way. If I'm going to do it, that's the way that I would use it. The next item in here is the one that I just pulled from my area where I keep a lot of my mascaras. So I don't have to open this one, and I can put this into the gift area. This one is a Light Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara from Tarte. This is one of the mascaras, and the packaging on this is actually beautiful. They use the same packaging that is this leatherette type of, they're cruelty free and everything, Tarte. They were one of the first ones to really get on the bandwagon with that. And even their sample sizes, which is this one here, which I will open up, I will show you, is the same type of packaging. So even when you're getting the mini versions, you're getting the exact same feel as the luxury full size. The brush inside and the formula inside is the same as in the full size. And I always tell you in the $3 sections on IPSY, that's where you test all these high-end mascaras, because you're getting that same brush size, the same formula, so that when it becomes a choice item in a plus bag, you're not guessing. You know if you like the mascara or not. So let me show you what this one looks like here. And I will show you what the brush looks like and everything, and then I'll show you the packaging again. So this is what the brush looks like here. It is the same all the way through. It has a mixture in the bristles of those spiky and the brush. So this really truly is when they say it's a 4-in-1, because a lot of times I will use the spikier mascara first and then a brush to give me the volume. And this one really gives it all. This used to be one of my favorite mascaras before I started getting boxes. Now I can't even tell you what a favorite is anymore because I change up all the time. So really, really excited about that. So let's just see if they wrote anything on here. It just says Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, and that's it. Yeah. And this, I'm sure, just says it's, yeah. And oh, this is something else they do. They do, Tarte does this. It says a sample not for sale, because a lot of people were getting these full-size items in their bags that are sold every day in a full retail. It's not a different product or anything, and they were returning it to the stores and getting full credit for it. And then I think it was Sephora that did a report in one of the magazines that they were getting returns that were higher than the amount that they sold. And that's when they knew, when the boxes came out, that that's what people were doing. So if you see things like this or stickers that say not for resale or anything, that's why those markings are there. The next item in here is from Illamasqua, and this is, no, sorry, it's Illamasqua. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. That is what that looks like there. And this says it is a Beyond Liquid Highlighter. I think I got a sample size of this, so I'm excited to get the full size of this. This one here is saying it is in the color OMG Beyond Liquid. And what it says on the back here, it's just the ingredients. It says it's an illuminating liquid highlighter. It adds effortless luminosity to your complexion. It can be used to enhance the high points of your face, creating a natural radiant glow or an all over for a dewy skin finish. It is a lightweight formula that can be used to be mixed in your foundation or your blusher to add a brightening multidimensional shimmer. And then it says it contains jojoba oil for the seamless application, and it evenly will blend over any base of makeup. So that is fantastic. Okay, so that is the box that it came in, and this is the tube here. And this has a small little point to it, so there's no safety seal on that. So let's just put a little bit on over here so we can see what it looks like. So it's got that pearlescence to it. And I always recommend for products like this also, again, your beauty blender's your friend, or if you want to use your finger to warm it up. But I always recommend that you put it on your hand first before you put it directly onto your face, because you'll end up looking, like, the Tin Man if you put too much highlighter on, I feel. So that's it spread out a little bit, and that was me taking that small little drop. So you literally need a pin size amount. Really, really excited about that. And then the last item in here that I'm so excited about. This is a brand, it's called the Artus Couture. This is also one of the influencers that were early on. He's a true makeup artist. If you ever have an opportunity to see a lot of his products, they're always a little bit over the top. His highlighters are really so exotic. Like everything about it is like just that extra little something. And I love when influencers start developing their own brands, because they've had the opportunity to test so many products and get introduced by so many brands to so many products. And then if they're able to tweak it with what they feel they like for their own personal preference, and we like how they do their makeup and things like that, I always think it's a treat when they come up with their own brands. So this is a lip oil, and this is what the component looks like inside here. And let's see what the applicator looks like. So his applicators are usually really big. Ooh, this is hard to get out. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at this applicator that came out of this here. Really fantastic. So it is one of those big doe foot applicators. I'll put it over here so we could see what it looks like. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more on the, there was another brand that did this also. The more you put it in and take it out, the easier it comes out. But let me just see, and I'll test to see if, it feels very cushiony on the applicator. I just want to see if it is sticky to the touch, and it's not. It's just very moisturizing and very soothing, but it doesn't have a lot of gleam to it. So it's a true lip oil, which is really nice. So when you get up first thing in the morning, before you start doing, after you wash your face and everything, always put a lip oil on. You'll see a big difference by the time you want to put your lipstick on. Your lips will really be nicely hydrated, and you won't have to usually wipe a lot off if it's done right. And this one feels like it's done right. So that's everything that I received in my mystery bag, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So we got a skincare product from Murad. We got a makeup product from Pacifica. We got another makeup product from Tarte. We got another makeup product from Illamasqua. And we got another skincare lip product, which is considered makeup, in this product as well. So this is truly pretty much a makeup bag with a Murad skincare. So that to me is a fantastic way to help celebrate IPSY having 10 years. And the bag, like I said, is just over the top. So please share with me in the comments down below if you ended up picking up this bag as well. And if you did, and you had the opportunity to try any of the products that I've already talked about, please share that in the comments down below as well. And that's everything I have for you guys today. So take care, stay well, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.